KD 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Eba Habidin Komobi.
Yeah.
And on the interviews now, you know.
Yeah.
We are. I'm looking for the next artist.
Yeah.
I'm researching about the next artist. I don't get time to watch
again.
You see it.
Yeah.
KD Bedidi Nkomobi abansema ekoso na related to Daddy Lumba.
Yeah.
And just last Sunday, Anna, me who video bako. Na me ni interview na no cast our story no. And me faint. I was yes. I felt so bad. I was like, why did I leave him to continue to know, you know? Yeah. And I think it's a lesson to all of us as presenters, as hosts of shows, that we should pay attention to the things our guests put out there, especially say personal issues against a colleague or somebody. Are any facts to counter it now? Let's find a way to handle it. And you probably discipline or intelligent.
Yeah.
Is that the Lumba?
Yeah.
Because you can't be a discipline. So with my show, it takes a lot.
In Chawa, on say the uncle for can you know, on say Ma Bontindao.
Exactly. And I'm going to say, I'm so.
Yeah.
I'm so.
Yeah.
To do it, Daddy is on a different level.
Yeah.
The Sunday, me home video, no. I'm like, inti. But trauma daddy dada I can't say way.
Sure, no question one way.
Yeah, I was just listening and Mr. Sunday I need to apologize to Daddy because I wasn't fair.
That's good.
To him.
Also, my boy about to say, I mean, what may take this opportunity to, I mean, apologize to him. Good. Okay, Uncle Baka say, oh, I mean, but why are they? Oh, and no, a chair respect our woman.
And Monday, and I'm Mami Sanko in the second interview. And in the second interview, that was last year around February. And I realized Sam is Sako Fabai. Because me name them was already come back. So let's listen. Yeah, share. Adiebi. Lumba perform Christmas ya Musoko stage. Moko Kansum Sembi. Come 14th, Tuesday, Valentine's Day, open for me Safari Gardens. Never ka performance ina yeni sanko moyi. Na me ka say oni Lumba Kansum Sembi. Apart from no. And they say ni masum se mi ntimi kan wanse. Any oni Lumba. The last interview, I'm saying it didn't Hong Kong, so there's nothing new, right?
I think Commander say, also me fan say a story. I say, na me was an intention.
Okay.
Everything that happened was like a sea, and I mean narrative, and like I'm saying, say, and yes, studio be now kwa unya the freedom, and I say the audacity, ultimate expression. For me, who know. I said,
yeah.
No, inside,
I'm for
wake up. And who won it, you see, now I am a say, here I'm a tonium. And also to him. The father said, Bia, whatever has separated us, and yet you were failed. So, me Kobe be crying a bottom you and I'm to be people feel like, I say, so that perception. And then it tell me, you know, as I did not coswama. Ama enmity be na creative say obi ehu ne yonko bi say
issue
bi any who say the last time I can say ikoshia here o na me ka say twam ye wotra sebe wotra amanone a je na me kan na member and 40 say wotra amanone na no obi nya issue a heated argument na ba wi a it's buried enye ikuro yi mu a asa wonu obi wasema otimi de sa wona na sa de no yentwam emo because remember me you class ya tutu ayampi o say de kura no a ye ngu ena ye ne ese ejimoni ti the father say bia be di ne ho nkoma na say me ka tibia bi me enye intention say me de so
din
asma me ka nkwa say na me ka na me ese It's no I'm say about pobito said the minim said the necrophobic kind but all who are na make one obese ono nwene de
okay can
see one but we did the sanity obi adwene ma they say the woodin so na ebo enti like I'm saying me to Adam say na de bia me say on frame me say yeah say me kono
ozukuta phone
yeah it you say okay baby am me nya na 31st a man for kwaso de we na man kwaso de tie ko say omu wura bra say ba ka akiri 31st no say do say ye wuram to all man kwaso de ya ka akiri na me say no push me ngoi and I thought say okay that first in the man fanfa and I called new and also whom in all welcome very good.
Yeah. Now, such conversation happened on Hammer Time because this program, this show is not meant to dent anybody's image. It's not meant to disrespect any artist or anybody. We are here to promote artists, as you know. The BBC see on the platforms so I offer Jimmy.
Yeah.
Error. It wasn't intentional. A crowd can say you're joined to one.
Yeah.
Betian in Ribi.
Yeah.
Nay about them. Say
Kutia Bobby. I'm a Otiano say a who here because Uti Miniano Casa Okanya. Na I was saying and the war.
Yes.
Nanko Bia say mea. Nanka made a chapa mufa or video. Oh, na the man because me they are mini opinion.
Yeah.
And only a fine KD I will crowd in the firstborn.
Yeah.
Or the two chas. What I say. Tama you see so yet to me a kusulu meneno any Tommy. And a Harriaban.
Okay.
Yena a pio. Me fan say apart from Miami boss and a net for no yena you see so I ye pie free chiria neighbor. To KD or Emini and say Madame Ashtown. And no enemy who didn't come over Sanka, Ibenya, Ubibenya, a Sajimai, I know or Tom Pepes or police post.
Also on a record office.
Yeah, on a record, honey love. Nankono so Yana and Kono so have a canker crime.
My frame of him,
Iti Ashtown. Someone crying, why? Sata wa ye honey love ajimai hona inyina hwa na na sore ayewo sata me yaboachi fufu bi wo yaboachi fufu ho je sore ana ja ikodi bi na ya betena se je didi nkomo a yo a e be kon yesi dadi rumba abafa no ko Accra nti kedi obi a na rumba mfani ni agro because oba Kumasi bia this is bakedi ho kimi me wan say sa normal way no amanfo criti sa ne ana ni nyina so no nye say unu ewu nti na meka na awsanka unu ya sha no ho so
yeah
because Jackson 5 no mo yenu afo omuntemu tete what I say omukra omo yenu afo no nti ewiase de ami hu ni say bibi biare ni wa ebetumi akwa ewiye totroto wabra epom bababam yeah na osanka unu aso hwe na usani sanesa epono ni nyina so calm down with respect ti ewiase no awsa obomoden ase obi a woni ne ekruso no obomoden ase se onu na edifo se wo na wodifo awsa obomoden ase eponye de ubitumi esiesie sa ade no ni nyina ko ba se na make an ho hyeso no se Ghana ha ye wo no bra enye bibia na ubenya no totroto
yeah
so far as you are an African bia on how me tiwe me come how a kire wa nka wase ba na nka me fi wi ase kra dada but ni penti na nipa so nti also unya ho hyeso na hu se unya nwi a dia obenya ibina asisi yankopon adum unya shoes okọ wish ni o me o ka chem say on tran bridge o pese obo okọ na waba okọ na ampa nyame adom akwan na bie okoba aka US say obasan ko bie UK am say should be or 20 something nan kakra okọ wenu de bia me ka say o bredi ade a yamfa one day a consistency
right
last na o kan say me say o start edwuma we na o offer say bi wata fetch asama o ka bia me de to mitirimu nti da man da but because of consistency consistency for bibia say edwuma na bedu na me tu Ghana for so for say mama ya kwan mama musician stars no kwan no mon kan mo hawo say we musician na wo how crowd ntumi ma abonten meka because the two enu ma me no di nkomo me kan we ya Ghana for be di matam say oto no nti wontumi ansi fie oto no nti wontumi anye say but abrabon yes ana e kan no you be a no fie abosan be 2 ewi ase no na onye baby kra na abrabode you don't do en fa ho se wo na oye sei ubetumi atutu no mayi enso ebehia what I say nti mama artist bia beka na hawa osuro because Ghana for be no on be no but enka bia ye man kwan man express no ho de owom ni ya enka bia obi kra betu sa wo de o mo an kra de man kwan man nka de onum so na ye njai say obi a superstar na so a star na I say ye bunu nimpe bi say ono de o ye kushini na say amwa
yeah and messages about Kwesimensa TTR break I beg you and every 7 hours and what because that make us a platform is not meant for those things and you can imagine 5 years ago you seen it now like
now o crowd there hammer time there obia ni ho a obetumi ejina bebi aka say si sanka wo de achapa no ma brachas nka onyuntum but ohun modem a obo ye de yenimu modem a obo we no mistake na ba ana wadwono so ankoho what I say a mistake na ba nti yenya anche because Hammer is not the type or mumu na boa musicians no mumu na boa say dwuma no betumpon de bia me ka say nya nimpa ba ye 5 kra omo tumi ye dwuma te say dia wo ye a eda me ne Max awotwe ba na no no obusa say what do you gain for okay obusa say Hammer dey na wonya film
Blind Desire
unya film but just to help de bia me ko bia me ka say o man from for interview me last week me ka say o mo say enya Hammer o man mi nkuransha anka bia talent nkranka ye kum no Ghana for kum talent no ka me jai eduma na me no because Hammer encourage me say no chare talent no ntumi fan tena dem sa nti wo mu na o boa eduma nti me say Ghana for nyina ne Kumasi for omo ti say Hammer time is not meant for jumperize be career and I say but will be career so Debbie
they are the connect so me
jina union name na DC bia ntwe bia no mfanche because of echi enya abofunu bi den oko so yama sa odono said the bear Bible say any nyina transform game ibetumi transfer akina bi that ibetumi kosia kediba kwan bi so minua obetumi aboa no memete Sahama me ya obonia I was am bapa wacho because a chine bi minim baby a me baba be hia wo
yeah
what I say tina say eni ni pe nyina ntransum bi di mesre say baby a kochi bia no poma no mo man nchiro ha adubra wo na ye way forward
okay I'm say yakabia
Yakabi. They are medieval to us when say, Mr. Ghana for pass. This Ubia Canada. She say Ubia Canada. Radio presenters, come there, YouTubers, come there, TikTok for come there. Dear womb, any dear Ubia Canada. Esrem say. Aya mume nya sa asa Ghana na ya kwaye se ka bebi a na fe bebi ade ne hye bia na omu yi pp
also obo di pa bebria na wo nipa nye so omu di pa bebria da it's sometimes ana some support in Japan and kofo bi ntimase so obo ni pa bebria so me 100 emu 80 be yubo ni aye Tribia no better.
Yeah.
Tribia no abuofu. And some number of artists are only like daddy aye adwuma. So far no high life artists na ibi.
Yeah.
No high life artists. Ana a collaborating pushing other artists to the top. And I will try to, what I check it.
The last time I make chiro.
Yeah, listen long.
I hope say you know financial idea. Na kwala ebano we have to respect in penning for.
You're careful the things we say because the future no.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
Yeah.
Future in the industry, we the far will be free man, then send me brave, yes and and you see. So stress here and that's very frustrated, we depressed. How do you realize it?
Just say ubi be with you now so answer wa bo abeti. What I say? Like you did to me. What I say? Sibia wa memia. Aka obati yesi Frank when suppose you but obati ya can say how? Why? What I say? Sana depression any frustrating sanity. This will be bad. The nimpano I watch you no who tear on us no abo abeti. One kasa o kubunu. Some things you are obey a cry, or any barabacasa while you cry near you. And I say, Utimusum. Oh, yeah, their own, would you buffo passion near that day. But, and before she said, a commodore, I am fire send me in your day, any day. I was say, Ocean so. No, who say, I dare was say, Oshe first, young coupon. Now, he say, the age, and bray woman in me. Met me because what to me the 1 year cry ye we are say. So now I was to me a down so now share Sadian say me to me age okay. Me to me the IBB and unquan I here. Ooh BBS ba we are BBNC. What I say? Na yabasa pachobi. Say kokudu ya de okan efa ebra pani ho a entwe ye bia no mfanche na nya ha matimu pon se obaba betena begu bi no ase betena ha the project musicians omo ayira yente omo nkanda ne ada rubi kura ha o shefi yente nkanda na ha ma hwehwe mu ana okoyine pie oyine pie nso oboka enye se ye betena ha na weje akwan se yu na mo ne nyame nko ono atunu botum we the offer flight hammer time buffer flight amano ono ani sika the offer say okoda hotel hammer abamana akoda hotel tiesremu mfumso na abanti fancy nyina mo fanche na ye move